Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak on the topic cost accounting. Cost is a measurement in monetary terms of the amount of resources used for the purpose of production of goods or rendering services. Costing is the technique and process of ascertaining costs. Costing is the classifying, recording, and appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of cost of products or services, the relation of these costs to sales value, and the ascertainment of profitability. Cost accounting is an application of costing principles, methods, and techniques for determination of cost and analysis of deviation, favorable or adverse, as compared with standards. Costing is an integral part of cost accounting. Cost accountancy means the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, and techniques to the science, art, and practice of cost control. It includes the presentation of information derived therefrom, the purpose of managerial decision making. It is a subject which is related to accounting of goods produced or services rendered. Objectives of cost and management accounting: ascertainment of cost. This is the primary objective of management accounting. For cost ascertainment, different techniques and system of costing are used in different industries. Control and reduction of cost control aims at improving efficiency by controlling and reducing cost. Determination of selling price: CMA provides cost information on the basis of which selling price of products services may be fixed. Determination of break even point: CMA provides cost and revenue information on the basis of which no profit no loss level may be determined. Scope of cost accounting: cost control. The cost accountant uses different techniques and methods of controlling costs like budgetary control, standard costing, break-even point analysis, and many other techniques. Cost reports are very helpful in planning and controlling performance, appraisal, and managerial decision making. It is considered as an ultimate function of cost accounting and used by management at different levels. Cost analysis: the process of developing and analyzing data from separate business elements and estimating incremental and total resources needed to support current and future business strategies. Cost comparison: cost accounting involves comparison between costs from different alternative courses of action, such as use of technology for production, cost of making different products and activities, etc. Role and function of cost and management accounting. First, provides relevant data and information. The CMS serves as a vital source of data for management planning and decision making and management. Collection of cost and management reports provide a base to the management for decision making. Assignment of cost and management accounting supports the management by duly assigning the cost to cost objects. Allocation of cost: the major role of cost and management accounting is to allocate the various cost to the products and inventories for both external and internal users. Performance evaluation: with the help of cost and management accounting, the performance of responsibility center is determined against set standards. Facilitates control: CMA helps in converting given objectives and strategy into specified goals by a specified time and secures effective and efficient accomplishment of goals. Difference between financial and cost accounting. Meaning: financial accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are in past at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Cost accounting is defined as the process of accounting for cost which begins with the recording of income and expenditure or the basis on which they are calculated, and ends with the preparation of periodical statement and report for inserting and controlling costs. Objective: to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet for presentation to shareholders and other external users. It provides information of ascertainment of cost for the purpose of cost control and decision making for management and other internal users of information. The user of financial accounting statements are shareholder, creditors, financial analysts, and government and its agencies, etc. The cost accounting information is generally used by internal management, but sometimes regulatory authorities also. Nature: it classifies, records, presents, and interprets transaction in monetary terms. It classifies, records, present and repeats in a significant manner the material, labor and overhead costs. Recording of data. It records historical data. It make use of both historical cost and predetermined cost. Statutory requirements. This is mandatory under Companies Act, Income Tax Act, etc. It is voluntary except in specified industries. Cost and profit analysis. It reveals overall profit, loss and cost. It reveals cost and profit or loss of each product, department, process, job, contracts, etc. Control aspect. It lays emphasis on recording of transactions. It lays emphasis on cost control. Periodicity of reporting. Profit and loss account and balance sheet are reported annually. Cost statements are regularly and frequently prepared at short intervals and presented to management as and when required. Presentation of information. A set format is used for presenting financial information. There is no set format for presenting cost information. Degree of accuracy. Financial accounting provides information which is more useful to the outsider, hence greater accuracy is required. Cost accounting provides information from insider, hence lesser accuracy may also serve the purpose. Thank you.